All right, today I'm sitting on the Tuft Needle Mint Mattress. The Tuft Needle Mint is a higher caliber mattress than the original Tuft Needle, and because of that it does command a higher price point. So the original Tuft Needle queen size retails for about $595. The Tuft Needle Mint, after discounts, $995. And I'll go through why it is a more expensive mattress, and basically it's because of the material that they use. So this is a 3-layer foam bed. Starting with the top layer, it's a knit cover it's charcoal infused. So what that means is the charcoal is used to absorb any odors. And when I open this mattress, you'll notice that there really isn't too much off-gassing. I think that's in part because of that charcoal cover absorbing any of those odors. And as the mattress ages and as you use it more, this cover will keep things smelling fresh and clean. Now, going down to the first layer, it's similar to the original Tuft where they have the graphite and gel infused foam. The difference is that they're using a ceramic gel which will absorb, I believe, 5 times more heat. And then they're also using more graphite in that top layer of foam for even more cooling. So what you get is a superior cooling effect to the original. They've also added that 3rd layer, so what you get in the middle is a transition layer, and that allows you to sink into the mattress even more, and it provides a more gradual, soft feel. So you wouldn't feel any of the transition from the comfort to the core layer. That transition layer will ease you into the mattress. And then of course you do have your base support foam, which is a higher density foam that will keep the mattress supportive and allow the layers on top to work optimally. Now you'll notice if you looked at my original Tuft Needle mattress review, right off the bat, this mattress sinks considerably more. And for that I recommend this mattress more for side sleepers because you do get that nice sink. And if you're sleeping on your side, you're going to want to allow your shoulders to sink in quite a bit. Now a good pillow can do that to some extent, but you're also going to want the mattress to do some of that work, and you're also going to want it to support your hips, which is going to be the heaviest part of your body. So that sinkage in the shoulder and hip area is going to provide optimal pressure relief. And even though you are sinking in, again, you're getting that benefit of the cooling foam. It's open cell foam, so it's also more breathable. So you get the breathability and the cooling to keep you cool at night. So even though you are surrounded a little bit more by the foam, you're not going to be tossing and turning because you're waking up hot either. Now, similar to the original Tuft Needle, this does come with a 10-year warranty and a 100-night trial. So if you're not happy with it, of course, returns are free. And this mattress is made in the USA. This mattress looks like it does pretty much right out of the box. What I was surprised by is that it really didn't take long at all to recover. So for the most part, assuming you get the mattress the same day you open it, you should be able to sleep on it that night, no problem. There really isn't an issue with waiting for it to recover. And some of those, denser top layer foam mattresses, it will take some time, but not with the Tuft Needle. So I was really impressed about that. And I'm really impressed by the pressure relief it offers, the responsiveness of the layers, that you can still, even though you're sinking into this, it's going to bounce back a healthy amount. And almost instantly, kind of like a latex. So easy to move around on. You don't have to wait for that slow sinkage to take place to get your spot. You're going to get your spot right away. So head on over to sleepsherpa.com. We'll show you the inside of this mattress and how this inside compares to Tuft, and maybe what others are in this category that are similar to the Mint.